Do you want to explore the most convenient way of traveling? You should hire a yellow taxi right from Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service. This licensed and insured yellow cab service provider company in Arlington, TX, offers prompt transport at affordable fare. Their 24/7 store-to-door transportation available with on-time pickup and drop facility. Their large fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean, well-maintained and sanitized. They have a team of knowledgeable, experienced and courteous drivers who always ensure safe and comfortable journey to their passengers. They always use the best shortcut route so that the passengers can reach their destination on time. Book your yellow taxi right now. Dial 817-676-3702 or email a contact@bigtexascabs.com or browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/ to book your cab online. Call /WhatsApp/Viber/Telegram at 817-676-3702.